Hello and welcome to a new video of our widget series on Datacake. And today we are going to dive into our table widget, and I'm going to show you how to configure it, how to use the tools inside of it. And yeah, let's go. So we have here a workspace where we monitor gas tank levels. And as you can see here, we have as primary the field level, and we also have does the tank need a refill or not, and it's a boolean. And I'm going to create a new dashboard, and I'm going to call it table dashboard, and I'm just gonna add it and go to the edit mode as always, and I'm going to add a new widget. And in our list of widgets, you're going to see that we have a table widget, and in here you can see already the list with all the tanks inside of our workspace. We don't want to filter anything. We want to include all of them. We want to have them all, so we will leave them like that. You can also filter them by device name or by tags. And now we are going to go to the part where we select the columns of our table. And as you can see, we have this modal that starts with the first device, so to say. These ones are the rows on our table. So always the rows are the devices. And you can see that we have the name, we also have a column type, meta or measurement, and we have the field. And this is important because you can add or include meta data from your device, and you can also include measurement fields. So in this case, I always love to show first the online status of my devices. It's going to show the little points, the little dots, like on the device list view, and the next one I want it to be the device's name. You can also include as metadata the serial number of your device, the last time you heard from your device, and the location from your device. So that's also good to know. You could include in here, let's say, the last time heard from the device. You can see that some of them have been active lately, some of them have been inactive for more than a year. So that's important information, of course. And of course, we want to have some measurements from the device. We want to see the level. You can also, because this is a float field, select the decimal places and the unit. In this case, it was cubic meters. And you also can select a time frame. So you can say, I want an average, not the current value. I want a sum, min, max, or the change. That's really useful in case that you want to also display, for example, how much the change has been from a specific time period until now. And yeah, you can also select, for example, if it needs refill, so you can see true or false. And then as you can see, we also have an appearance part. In here you can select how many devices get shown per page, the pagination, if you want it to be present or not. I can select like auto pagination. If there's many devices, then these will show, and if not, then it will disappear. And you can also sort by online device's name, when was last heard, and etc, etc. So you can sort your table as you want. I'm going to sort it by name. And then you can also again select the tint, which is the color behind it. Choose to hide the background. I like it like it is, you can see. And last but not least, you can also do a conditional formatting, which is actually very, very, very useful for whenever you want the rows to be colored, so that you can see directly if a certain condition was met. So as you can see here, you can select if a specific field on the device, in this case I'm going to use the needs refill field, is equals to true, then please change the background color to red, for example. You can also change the text color so that it's easier to read, for example. Or you can also make it very colorful. Or you can simply only choose to change the text color, for example. I'm just going to leave it like this because I feel like it's easier. But I am seeing here that there you have it. So you need to select it, you need to actually press it. It will have some values by default, but you need to press them so that the actual devices with the condition get colored. And then I'm going to press on save, and I'm going to resize my table widget and save it. And that's it. That's as easy as that. Basically, that's how you create a table widget, how you use it on a global dashboard, and how you use conditional formatting. And yeah, please write in the comments if you have any questions, and please let us know if you want to see any kind of video. And we are very happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.